In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a WhatsApp group on PC. So if you're stuck in a noisy group, don't worry, you can leave it in seconds using WhatsApp Desktop. So here's the quick step-by-step. So to start, open WhatsApp Desktop. And here at the left side, click on the group chat that you want to leave. Now once you open the group chat, click the group name at the top. So this opens the group info panel at the right side. What you need to do is to scroll down and look for exit group. So click on exit group, confirm when prompted, and you're out instantly. Now after leaving, you can delete the group chat. So right click and click on delete group. Click on delete group to confirm, and that removes it from your chat list. So people in the group will see that you left, and you can be added again unless you block or adjust privacy. Now, if you're an admin, you lose admin rights when you leave. And that's basically it. That's how you leave a WhatsApp group on desktop quickly and cleanly. Now you can take back control of your notifications and focus without constant distractions. So, whether you're leaving for productivity, privacy, or just peace of mind, you're all set. And if this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who's stuck in too many group chats. And if you want more quick and simple guides like this, stick around and you'll want to miss what's next. Thanks for watching.